Welcome to day 37, and I'm so excited that you're here today. Today, we're going to talk about AI working for you smarter and the productivity unleashed working through AI. And so, if you've never ever experienced AI, you're in for a treat today, friends. So, have you ever felt just overwhelmed by your workload, wondering if there's a better way to get things done? What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be your secret weapon for working smarter and not harder? So today we're going to deep dive into how AI can transform your productivity and help you achieve more while actually doing less. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about enhancing it. So let's start with the simple truth. AI is no longer just a buzzword or a far off concept. It's a practical tool that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. From writing assistance to data analysis, from scheduling to creative work, AI tools are revolutionizing how we approach our daily tasks. The key to understanding how to harness these tools effectively is this. It's one of the most powerful ways that AI can help us work smarter is through automation and repetitive tasks. Think about all the time that you spend in routine activities like email responses, data entry, basic research. AI can handle all those tasks in a fraction of the time, freeing up how you can focus on work that truly requires the human insight and the creativity. For example, AI writing assistants can help you draft emails, reports, presentations faster than you ever could before. They can help you generate outlines, suggestions, improvements, and help maintain consistent tone across the communications. But remember, these tools are meant to enhance your writing, not replace them, friends. Your unique voice and perspective is yours. Don't let AI take that over. So, data analysis is another area that AI excels. Instead of spending hours and poring over spreadsheets and creative reports, AI can quickly identify patterns and generate insights and visualize data in meaningful ways. This means that you can make informed decisions faster and focus on strategic thinking rather than number crunching. AI can also revolutionize your planning and organization. Smart scheduling tools can optimize your calendar, prioritizing tasks based on importance and deadlines, and even suggest the best times for different types of work based on your personal productivity patterns. This level of optimization was simply impossible before AI. But here's where many people get stuck. They think that implementing AI means completely overhauling their workflow. The truth is, you can start small. Begin by identifying one repetitive task that takes up so much of your time. Look for an AI tool that can help you with that certain task and then gradually import into your routine. Creative professionals, AI can be invaluable brainstorming partners. It can generate ideas and it can suggest alternative approaches and help over creative blocks. However, it is crucial to remember that AI should complement your creative process, not dictate it. Use it as a springboard of your own ideas and your own innovations. Time management gets a significant tool with AI as well. Smart tools can analyze work patterns, identify time wasting activities, and suggest more efficient ways to structure your day. They can even help you maintain better work life balance by optimizing your schedule for both productivity and personal time. So, let's talk about learning and skill development. AI powered platforms can create personalized learning paths, helping you to acquire new skills more effectively. They can adapt your learning style and pace and preferences and making professional development more effective and enjoyable. Collaboration becomes smoother with AI tools that can facilitate better team communication and project management and file sharing. These tools can help reduce misunderstandings, keep everyone aligned, and ensure projects stay on track without constant manual oversight. Security and privacy are crucial considerations when implementing AI tools. Also, choose reputable platforms that prioritize data protection and be mindful of what information that you share. The goal is to enhance your productivity without compromising sensitive information. Cost is another factor to consider. While some AI tools require investment, many offer free, affordable options that can still significantly impact your productivity. Start with the free tools, measure their impact, and then consider upgrading when you see concrete benefits. The key to success with AI is maintaining that balance. Use it to handle routine tasks and provide insights, but don't rely on it exclusively. Your judgment, your creativity, and your human touch still is essential for producing truly outstanding work. Remember that implementing AI tools is a journey, not a destination. Start small, experience with different tools, and gradually expand your AI toolkit as you become more comfortable. The goal is to find the right combination of AI assistants and human experts to help work best for you. So as we wrap up today, I want to encourage you to take action today. Choose one area that you would like to work where you feel that AI could help you and start exploring the valuable tools. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll experience the benefits of working smarter and not harder. Don't let fear and uncertainty hold you back, and embrace these powerful tools. The future of work is here, and it's about combining human intelligence with artificial intelligence to achieve better results with less efforts. Start your journey today and watch how AI transforms your productivity and work life for a better. AI is the most valuable tool that you can have. It can be your best friend, but it can also be your worst enemy. So talk to it like it's your best friend. Get to know it, get to know you, and understand what your needs are from it. Some people name their chat GPT. Some people call it a him, some people call it a her. It is your best friend. So treat it as if it is the most valuable asset, and it will become your most valuable asset. I'll see you tomorrow.